My name is Vishal. Today we have attended a very useful workshop. Um, this workshop was discussed about the basics of finite element analysis. Today we learned more about finite element analysis. This finite element analysis, the name itself suggests that the is divided into finite element and it is analyzed. Problem is divided into small finite element and it is analyzed finally. This is a very useful numerical method used to solve different engineering problems. There are so many analytical methods to calculate, for example, calculate the deflection of a beam in different types of problems can be analyzed with a different analytical method, but this FEA method is a very powerful and numerical method to solve the engineering problem. With the help of this engineering FEA method, can reduce the more amount which is spent on the engineering field. For example, in automobile field, the um, car manufacturer will create a car model and kept a dummies and it will and crash their cars to check the safety of the car. But with the help of this finite element method, we can create a car model and analyze and forces. We can apply the forces which is actually act on the car when it is in crash. So it will reduce the amount of the car and the dummies itself very expensive. So this is a very useful and very useful technique to solve the problem. This is one example. There are so many different types of finite element analysis method. It can not only be used in automobile field, it can also be used in different engineering fields like civil engineering for to construct the bridge. It can be also used in the hydraulic field also. It can used to check the flow of a pipe and forces acting on the pipe, deflection, and other different engineering problems. And it is also used in biomechanics also. It's a new technology. For example, our human bones, how much it can induce the forces and stresses, it can also be calculated. This FEA method has a various variety of engineering techniques can be analyzed by this finite element method. We discussed about this finite element analysis method briefly, and we learned more and we understood the concepts of the finite element methods and different types and different analysis which have been done in modern technologies. And today, in current situation, what are the analysis have been done, which is also discussed today. And so many useful information the sir discussed about their project, which how what are the problems he have faced in this project he has done, and which is so useful for us today. We have learned more information in this workshop. Thank you.